Alright, the early evening has arrived as we're getting ready to wind down the first half of the last official weekend of July. July 27th, 2024, CN Hayes here. Welcome back to the channel. 1815 coming to you from Ladysmith, Wisconsin, along the Canadian National's Superior Sub main at milepost 353.17 with another video lined up for you. Got the Halcon shuttle SUV on standby here as the S773-81 of the 27th, that's on the Barron Sub main right now, is on its way back and should be ready to have signals north after another northbound that met the 344 at Lublin. Gets by here because that's our next northbound train on the Superior Sub main to pass. And for the northbound sand train that's going to take the North Y after this northbound passes on the Superior Sub main, gets by here, we'll have the roll-by of the 2839 along with the new C6M rebuild that was previously built as a BNSF-944CW of the CN 3368 that will be put as rear DPU on the tail with 102 loads, with the first 25 from out of Source Energy Services of Poskin and the next 77 from Source Energy Services of Weyerhaeuser. So in just about a couple of minutes we'll check out the roll-by of this northbound, and then in the next video we'll check out the roll-by of S773-81 of the 27th, the 2839, and the new CN 3368. Stay tuned. Alright, couple minutes later, as this 1817 northbound has showed up, another GEVO to lead it, this time another ES44. Not sure what this one's going to be, as this one was well behind the B791 by the 2859. Now I just need to know what this one's going to be, as it comes up the main here at Ladysmith. And we'll check him out on the roll-by as we'll lean back and get him. Here we go. There's the S773-81 of the 27th. Holds tight near West Ladysmith. Taking their time down there. Not up to track speed though, but that's alright. We got gate drop. C6M rebuild along for the ride. 28H is back. 914. And that's going to do it for the potash empties of the B791 of the 26th. And we'll do it for the 2882 and the C6M rebuild of the second batch of the 3347. Not bad at all. And this crossing is going to time out here as the control point North Ladysmith is going to be set to reverse setting here as S77381 of the 27th will follow behind the B791. Alright, timeout completed. So that'll do it for this video in Ladysmith, Wisconsin. Coming up in the next video will be the northbound departure of today's S77381 of the 27th with the 2839 and the new 3368. Thanks for watching, folks. Have a great evening. I'll see you next time, and I hope I'll see you along the main line. CN Hayes out.